And this morning, shockwaves through the American school system after a major Supreme Court decision. We're taking a live look now at the White House. This morning, President Donald Trump's administration is celebrating a big victory. ABC's Nicole D'Antonio explains the fallout from Monday's decision, allowing mass layoffs at the Department of Education.
On Monday, the Supreme Court granting another major victory to the Trump administration, allowing it to proceed with mass layoffs at the Department of Education.
I'm just incredibly pleased that the authority was reinstated where it should be. This lifts the handcuffs off of what we've been trying to do.
The layoffs were announced in March as part of Trump's efforts to slash spending, but were paused by a lower court. Now, the new decision is paving the way for the president to follow through on his promise to gut the department, which manages federal loans for colleges and enforces civil rights laws in schools. Trump celebrating the win, saying, quote, "The federal government has been running our education system into the ground, but we're going to turn it all around by giving the power back to the people." But education advocates warn that the coming cuts will leave students without critical support services, from special education to financial aid. While the National Parents Union says this is not just a policy disagreement, it's a constitutional crisis. Congress created the Department of Education, and only Congress has the authority to eliminate it. It comes as at least 24 states are suing the Trump administration for withholding more than $6 billion in Congress-allocated funding.
This is one of those moments where something really big and potentially really damaging could be getting ready to occur. I'm going to do everything that I can to stop it.
The grants, which had bipartisan approval, were meant to go out to programs across the country July 1st. But the Trump administration said it was conducting a review before releasing the funds, claiming the grants would be used to promote a radical left-wing agenda. Now the states are demanding a federal judge intervene, calling the move illegal and unconstitutional.
Against the Constitution. From a legal standpoint, this is not a hard case.
Even if the states win their case, education advocates warn it may be too late to hire staff for programs meant to return at the start of the school year, leaving students and families scrambling. Nicole D'Antonio, ABC News, Washington.
The National Education Association estimates Illinois could lose about $240 million if the funds aren't reinstated. In Iowa, about $45 million would be lost, according to an estimate from the union.